Okay, I think the meeting is recorded. So hi everyone, my name is Janet Kuo and welcome to the May 3rd SIG Apps meeting. And today we have an announcement and a few discussions. So the first announcement is that we're looking for an enhancement liaisons and basically one or two enthusiastic contributors who can be the point person for communicating with the release team for the cap status. So just make this announcement, and if you're interested, just let the chairs know. And then we have the discussion from Ravi. Is that how to pronounce your name?
Yes, Janet, you're right.
Okay, and do you want to start the discussion?
Yeah, before we move on to the discussion, I wanted to ask a couple of things about the release liaison. So should we attend the SIG release? I have sent an email saying that I'm interested in taking up that role for this release. So I'm curious, like, what is the process around it? Like, should we attend the SIG release meetings weekly or bi-weekly and then give the status updates there?
I think so. The process is that the chairs is going to propose the person to the release team, and then they have some process. So I can send you the documents for what's the exact process of that. That sounds good.
Yeah, that sounds perfect. Thank you.
No problem.
Yeah, with that, I think perhaps I can get started on one of the features that we want to push to beta in 122, which is max search of daemon sets. This is something that Clayton has worked on in 121 timeframe. Like, he started working on 119, 120-ish, and then he was able to get the implementation done in 121 timeframe. I have put in a work in progress PR in the enhancements repo, but at a high level, most of the questions were answered in the first KEP that Clayton has opened. So I'm just adding an implementation history within the KEP. But I'll post that enhancement and perhaps you can have a look at it and then see if there is something missing or if you want me to add some more details on that. But at a high level, we would like to get this moved to beta in 122. Let me know if you have any concerns about it.
Okay, I'll take a look and ask other chairs to also take a look.
Awesome, thank you. That's it from my side.
Thanks. So the next one is from Rian. Not sure if Rian is on the call. So I guess Rian is not on the call, but I can just talk about the items on the agenda. So it's basically several conformance tests missing from the apps, and there are a few PRs that's waiting for reviews and approvals. So let me take a look at those PRs. I see. So it's adding the apps v1 endpoints for the conformance tests. So think Maciek assigned himself to these items, and I'm also take a look at those PRs and make sure they can be approved so we can have this test coverage. Does anyone have anything that they want to talk about today?
I think since Mayank is here, I want to bring up the max unavailable in the stateful set PR that he has opened.
Yeah, go ahead.
So Mayank, I think I have pinged you privately on Slack as well. Would you have time to work on this release?
Yeah, exactly. That's why I'm here. I mean, so I think there were some comments, and I took care of them, but I'm looking for reviews. So as soon as as someone is able to verify that the implementation is in the right direction, um, I can further look at the tests and everything else. So yeah, I'm actively working on it. Just need somebody to actively review as well.
Sure. I think I can sign up for reviewing. I can also ask Mache to review it from Red Hat side, because that's some field that we are interested in using too.
Sounds good. Yeah, I think it was close to getting in, but
Yeah.
at some last point, I think there was some implementation issue. So I did file an exception, but yeah, we couldn't go through it. So I think, yeah, I'll try to make sure that we get it in with all of your help.
Awesome. Thank you. So Janet, perhaps this is another enhancement that we need to track. I looked at the enhancement spreadsheet. We have 4 of them, out of which I think 2 got merged. And the one that I have brought up today, which is related to max surge in daemon sets, and the other is Mayank's PR. So perhaps we need to add those 2 enhancements to be tracked in this release. I do not have access to update the enhancements, so perhaps you can do that on my behalf.
Yeah, sure. I'll update the sheet.
Awesome. Thank you. Thanks, Mayank. That's it from me.
So does anyone have anything else that they want to discuss today? And if not, I think we can end today's meeting earlier because we have a light agenda today. And for folks who are new to SIG Apps meetings, we meet every 2 weeks at this time, and we have a meeting agenda available in GDocs, so you can take a look. Right. Thanks, everyone.
Sure. Thank you.
Thank you, Janet. Thanks, everyone. Bye.